Hi, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover, and today's video is going to be me trying out a new makeup collection and trying to do some Christmas makeup with it. I actually got this collection a couple weeks ago and I'm just now playing with it, which I feel so bad for, but I saw this announced and I was like, I have to get this because I have to support Lindsay, and it is the Lens Makeup, Glisten Cosmetics, and Blend Bunny 3-way collab. I'm so excited for this. I have no idea exactly what I'm going to be doing. I haven't swatched these, I haven't used them, I haven't done anything with them. So the Blend Bunny side is an eyeshadow palette and the Glisten one is a wet liner palette. There are wet liner brushes, eyeshadow brushes, a gorgeous pair of eyelashes, and a lip tint. Which honestly, depending on the route I go for my look, I don't know if this tint is going to go with it. But I am just so excited for this collection. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you in so we can get started with trying out this makeup. But I'm so excited for it. So I know I'm definitely going to be using the brushes. Like, the colors of the brushes, so fun. These are the shapes. I have tried Blend Bunny brushes before, love them. I have high hopes for these. I'm going to go ahead and open the Blend Bunny side. And like, this is literally her face. You know what? While I'm here, I'm going to open the Glisten side because I just can't not. And what's cool about this is these are magnetized. And they paid artists to recreate her face, and I love it. I've been following Lindsay for maybe like a full year, maybe longer, since before she got into the Sephora squad. She is, you know, so much younger than me, so much younger than me, but she is such an inspiration. This color story is absolutely beautiful. There are mainly mattes, and the two shimmers in here are actually duochrome shimmers, and the Glisten side is all wet liners, and I love that there is a huge white. I love that there are mirrors in both of these, and I am, again, just so excited for this. But I am going to start with the eyeshadow palette, but I do need to like prime my eyes first. If my brain seems like a little bit scattered today, I woke up at 5 a.m. to go to work. Don't recommend, but I am going to prime my eyes with my Anastasia primer. But anyways, this collab is so cool because it's not just one person collabing with a brand, it's two brands collabing together to collab with one person, and that's like so awesome. I know Lindsay has always kind of promoted Glisten Cosmetics, and she's actually the one that I've learned who they are from. Like, I had no idea who they were until she started talking about them, and sadly I have not tried anything from them, but that changes today. Kind of want to go green today, so I guess I'm gonna start with the shade Graphic Tee. The names are so fun. So you get Throwback, Nobody, Boo, Bestie, Weird Earrings, Beepus. I could be saying some of these wrong. 23, Unhinged, Graphic Tee, Lily, Nail Day, Slay, Winnie, Batty, Rolly. Again, I could be like saying a lot of these wrong. I am not that good at pronouncing things. So I'm actually going to take the LO5. I'm going to focus this kind of like in a rounded shape, I think. Should I try to do a Christmas wreath? That'd be fun. Oh, that is such a good green. I don't love the shape that I did, but I love it. Like, yes, I am obsessed with that shade. I'm gonna go in with a brush that's not in this collection just because I feel like I need a slightly bigger blending brush. This one is from Moda Pro. I'm just going to, no additional product, just start kind of softening this edge. Like, Blend Bunny shadows are top tier. Like, any palette you get from them, you're not gonna be disappointed. They are just phenomenal. I'm gonna take that same green and start running this on my lower lash line. In her video, she always says, you don't look weird with eyeshadow under your eyes, you're just not used to it yet. And I'm just like, who thinks that looks weird? I don't know. It must be a younger generation thing because I pack on the eyeshadow on my lower lash line, not gonna lie. I feel so naked without it. I can't just do something up top and nothing on the bottom. Just can't. Yeah, this is a really good brush for the lower lash line. I'm going to take the LO6 brush and I'm going to dip into the shade 23, the white here. I'm just going to kind of messily put this in the center. I will say one thing I don't like about Blend Bunny's eyeshadow is I feel like the white is never bright enough on my skin tone. Obviously, it's going to be plenty bright on anybody that's not paper white like me, but this one is better than the one in the blends palette. So I really like this white. Honestly, the best white I've ever tried was from a Norvina Pro palette. Happy with that so far. I'm gonna go into the shade Lily, L-I-L-I. I want to pronounce Lily. And I'm gonna take the LO2 brush I'm just going to take the shade kind of like right on the tip. It's more of a dark blue, not so much a dark green. I'm going to use this to kind of deepen what I did. Just not taking it too far, just kind of following the shape that I did, which is basically just following my crease. I'm also going to take that shade just along my lower lash line, kind of keeping it really close to where my lashes are, not bringing it too far down, and then going back in with Graphic Tee just to help blend. And go back into that Moda Pro brush. I'm going to dip into the white and just use that to further blend out this shade because I want it kind of blown out just a bit. Oh, these are so stunning. I don't even know if you're going to see the shift. Maybe? Maybe? Oh, it's so pretty. I'm going to go in with Slay. I think that's going to be like the prettiest. I want to go in with my finger, but my nails just don't allow that. So I'm going to go in with a flat brush, pick that up, and I'm going to put that right in the center. Right finger is going to be better for me, just in the center, and then a brush to get, you know, in the corners. Okay, for right now I'm going to put the shadow to the side. I'm going to dip into the water activated liner, and I'm going to work with the Toot shade here, which is the light green and dark green, but like the colors in here, so fun. And these are, hopefully you can kind of see the length of the brush tips. Different array. It's going to be perfect for all kinds of detail work. So I'm going to start with the number 7, which is slightly on the longer side. And to use these, you just get some water, dip it in, and swirl it around to get the consistency that you like. You don't want it super runny, but you don't want it too thick. You want it kind of like just right. So smooth. So smooth. Alright, so I'm going to take this green shade and don't think, just do. Just with this one shade, I can really see why people like the water activated liners from Glisten. So smooth. Oh, so smooth. I'm gonna basically, same brush and same color, just try to make like little flick marks, like a wreath. But you know what? I don't think that's the right size brush. I'm gonna go in with the small one here. This is the one. Very, very tiny. But yeah, much better. I guess it kind of looks almost wreathy. Alright, I'm going to clean off this brush a little bit. I'm going to go into the lighter green and use this to kind of make like, just some highlighted marks, just to make it not so flat. I'm going to clean off that brush. I'm just going to jump through different colors and add some little bubbles to it. I kind of really love that. Kind of wish I would have did my wreath earrings with this, but it's whatever. I'm going to keep with the same brush and then go into heart, and I'm going to attempt to make like a bow. I have no faith in my ability though. Okay, that's so cute. I'm going to clean off my brush and I'm going to go into the white shade. I'm gonna try to do like a tiny like highlight. In honor of Lindsay, I'm going to do a little heart on the nose. I'm actually going to use the back of the brush. I'm just going to go in with the white shade. Yeah, don't love that. Just going to go in with the 2 brush, pick up more white, maybe turn these into like something. When in doubt, add dots around. I feel like if I keep messing with this, it's going to get crazier and crazier. But, you know, this feels so cute and so like not that complicated. A little time consuming, but not complicated. I'm gonna pop back into the eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna start with 23. I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. I'm just gonna use the L04. I wanted that down and I'm gonna go into Slay. Try to pick it up with a brush and also put that on the inner corner. Alright, I think I need to quit with the eyes. I might go in with a small like wing. But I'm gonna go ahead and put on this pair of lashes, which they are so cute. I'm definitely gonna have to trim them. I'm gonna throw on the lip oil and then I will be back to show you the finished look. But ooh, I feel cute. I feel so cute. Alright, and here is the finished makeup look. I really like how this all came together. I feel very festive in this makeup. It's It's adorable. So let me know what you think of it. And to finish off my eyes, I did go in with a couple liners. By couple, I mean two. So in my waterline, I chose to go in with this gold color from Colourpop. This is Subzero. I did tightline with my e.l.f. No Budge retractable liner. And I did just a small line on my lash line to hide the lash band. And this is with the NYX and Beetlejuice Pinstripe Duo Liner. The lashes are on. They aren't on the greatest. And that's not the lashes' fault. That is my fault. I have been struggling when I use a new pair of lashes. The next time I wear these, it's gonna go on so much smoother, but this was a struggle. And I did go in with the lip tint, and I will be honest, this color does not go with this makeup, so I ended up throwing on a gloss, which this is Thunderstone from the Colourpop and Pokemon collab. I did go in with this, and I started like really light. I liked how that looked, decided to add more, and I just kept adding more, and it just kept getting oranger and oranger and oranger, and I was like, no. I wiped it off, added just the barest hint of that, which is what the main color is. This is a tint, so it is slightly stained, and then I threw on the gloss on top. So overall, I really do like this collection. I think that it is fantastic. Everything that I used today performed beautifully. I am so excited for the Blend Bunny palette, but I think I'm more excited for this water activated liner palette. It's phenomenal. Phenomenal. And I've tried quite a few liquid liners. This brand may be my new favorite. But let me go ahead and zoom you out so I can finish up this video. So I had a lot of fun doing this makeup. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I am putting out a video every day this month leading up to Christmas for my 25 Days of Christmas series. All my makeup details will be listed down below in case you're interested in any of the makeup that I used on my face today, because I did not go over that today. But everything that I used today is going to be down below, so make sure you check that out. And if you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you want any book content, I am Ashley with 2 H's that reads on TikTok and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever watching this. Happy holidays, and I will see you all tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye!